Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and the honorable judges. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Indra Lestari. I am the first speaker from the government team. With this motion, this House believes that developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum quota of hiring local workers. I really agree with that motion, and I am the first speaker. I will give two arguments in this motion. Developing countries is well known as a company or is a country that is still need much grant or fund to build a good country. Developing countries of, for example, Indonesia must have donation or invest or much investment in it to support developing countries. It can with attracting more foreign investor interest in investing in the developing countries or in the country. In this case, I really agree, and I am in line with that developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum quota of hiring local worker 50%. And my argument, there are two. The first one is because developing country is the host of this company, or is the company. I'm sorry. And the second is the basic of nature. Developing countries let another countries or foreign to invest is giving the opportunity to the developing countries to opportunity to job seeker. The first one because developing countries is the host of this company. Foreign companies is the person who give invest to the developing countries. They can build their company in its country because it can give multifunction to the between the investor and the host, and they are allowed to build the company because they have the capital and can help the developing countries. Even all the capital is belonging to the foreign, as the host, developing country also have the right in it to participate or maybe to give contribution to improve the quality of the company and to know how far or to know the condition of the company as long as the company is run. The second one is the basic of nature. Developing country let another countries or foreign is to giving it to to invest is giving the opportunity to job seeker. That is why I said that why I agree with this motion, because it can help the person who jobless to get the new job in the foreign companies. But it must have the regulation that the foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum, like what I said, minimum quota of hiring local worker, and it should be 15% from the foreign companies, from the worker foreign company. Why the local worker should be 15% from that? From those, the first one is knowledge of the local culture and business practice, because we are as the host and the foreign is like a guest. So the local culture will be more understand the culture which they live, and it means that they can navigate the potential problem with greater ease, and they usually translate to the higher productivity. They can know the potential, they can know how to improve or which the natural resources that can be improved, and the second one is local are fluent in the language and can manage worker using local resources. In the companies usually have the problem, and then with the condition or with the nature of resources, if the foreign companies hiring a quota minimum of 15% to the local worker, it can help to it will help, or it will easier to the company to get the solution in it. And the third is encourage diversity. Hiring local means diversifying the workforce, and it also gives a company a better chance at growing business abroad and diversity. And the last one is why the developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its theoretical minimum, because with one the foreign companies and the developing countries have the function, they have the beneficial of them, like increase the profitability to merge the capital between the developing countries and then the foreign countries. And when foreign countries will hire the quota of local country, it less cost. That is my argument. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.